What is up, guys? Today we are just gonna be playing some Subway Surfers. Alright, let's do this thing. Alright, let's play some Subway Surfers. Can you guys hear me? Let me check real quick. My microphone is on, so you can hear me, I'm pretty sure. Loading. Alright. It is loading. Subway Surfers. Alright, let's see what I got in the shop. Ooh, free gift. Yay. 100 coins. That's nothing, dude. Alright, let's try to do this thing. Why is the volume so, low? I can't hear it good. Why did I just do that? Alright. 3, 2, 1, jump, sideways, jump. Yay! Oh. So yeah, guys, if you've seen my TikTok, and if you don't know what it is, my TikTok is, Mr. Fortnite02. Go follow me on there, and, I will be adding my YouTube to that TikTok after this video. So yeah, go check it out. I have a really good account, better than my last one I used to have. Anyway, let's just keep playing this. Yeet, yeet, yeet. You, Sunny. Whoa. Well, that's gonna be the end of the video. Bye.